Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 11th mathematics chapter number 1 exercise 1.5 NCERT page number 18 to 20 complement of set. You see, if we consider here u is equal 1 to 10 element and here a is equal 2, 4, 6 and 8. So you see here we take for complement of set A. We represent symbolically complement of set A dash. And as we know u minus A, that means we take only the member of u, those are not in set A. You see 4, 2, 4, 8, we cut here and we take only 1, 3, 5, 6 also is there. So 7 and 9. 7 and 9 and 10 also. And 10. So complement of set is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 10. We consider only the element in universal set but not in set A. So we take only 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 10. You see 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is not in set A but in set U, universal set. Mathematically, let U be the universal set and A is a subset of U, then the complement of set A is the set of all elements of U which are not the element of A. You see here only we take 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 because 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10 is not in set A. Okay, and here symbolically we represent complement, that means this. If we want B complement set of B, this C this, like that we represent complement set. Now question says let U is equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and A is equal 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal 2, 4, 6, 8, C is equal 3, 4, 5, 6. Then find A dash, B dash, C dash complement set of A, set of B, set of C. A union C, complement of A union C, complement of A union B, complement of A and complement of A dash, and C minus B minus C complement. You see, first we find complement of set A dash. Complement of set A dash. The complement of A with respect to U, you see, we consider only the element of U which are not the element of A. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest all element we consider here. So we take 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is our complement set of A. Same for B. B dash, what we will do? 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Except this element, we take all rest element in set U. You see 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And now third C dash. C dash, that means complement of set C. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Except this element we consider all 1, 2, 7, 8 and 9. It is our answer, complement of set A dash, B dash and C dash. Now our next question, please note down students, pause and note down all answers. And now fourth is A union B, complement of A union B. For this, first we find A union B. You see, simply A union B, that means element of set A or set B. So we take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4 already we write. So we write here 6 and 8. So now we will find A union B, complement of A union B. So rest except this all element we take others element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 and 8. So only 5, 7 and 9 are in this set. A complement of A union B. Now like that you find A union C, complement of A union C. For this, first you find A union C, after then you take rest element in set U, that means universal set. Now very interesting question, complement of set A. You see, first we find complement of A and we already find and we get 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now time is complementary set of complementary set A dash. So you see here we write except this element all in set U. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Please students, listen, watch carefully and please note it. Set A is equal complementary of set A complement. You see here A is equal A dash complement of A dash, and you see here A is equal also 1, 2, 3, 4. We use this property after some time, and here also 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now B minus C. B minus C, that means B minus C. That means we take only the member of B but not in C. You see here 6, 4, 6, 4 is common. So only we take here 2 and 8, and we want complement set of B minus C. So we write here except 2 and 8 all member 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. It is our answer.
Now question number 2nd, 3rd, 4th homework for you. Please note down all question answer in your notebook and try to solve in this question number 2, 3 and 4.
For this question, here U is equal 1 to 9, A is equal to 4, 6, 8 and P is equal to 3, 5, 7, and we verify that complement of A union B is equal complementary of A intersection complement of B dash, both are equal. That means we prove LHS is equal RHS. First we take LHS. In LHS, first we find A union B. After that, we will find complement of set A union B. So you see A union B, that means the member of A or B. 2, 4, 6, 8. Here 2, 2 common. Here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now A union B, complement of A union B is equal, we take member only except 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 already there, so 1 and 9. It is our equation number first. Okay. Now we find complement of A dash. Complement of A dash, that means 1, 2 already here. So we take only 3, 4 is here, 5 and 7 or 9. 7 and 9. And you see, we take B complement of B dash. So here 1, 2 is there, 3 already, 4, 5 is here, so 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we get A dash and B dash. So RHS is equal, they want complement of A and intersection complement of B. You see 1, 1 is common and 9, 9 is common. So here also we get 1 and 9. And from equation 1 and 2nd, we can say LHS is equal RHS. Hence proved. Like that you solve second question. Okay. Now draw appropriate Venn diagram. First we draw Venn diagram for complement of A dash. You see here complement of set A is equal U minus A. And if we consider U here and set A is this. So except this set, all members in this rectangle except this area we call complement of A dash. And here they want to know complement of set A union B. You see, if we want to draw a diagram A union B, we see here A union B, that means A and this B. That means all element in this, but we want A and B, okay, and U. So here we take only this part. Okay, A union B. A union B, that means this part. That is why we take here complement of A union B in all the area. Okay. Now complement of set A intersection complement of set B. You see, if we want to show complement of set A dash, so A dash is there and A is here. So left we here this area, it will become A complement of A set intersection complement of B dash. Okay. Now our third A intersection complement of set A intersection B. You see here, if we want to represent intersection part, we present this element. Okay. So except this element, only except in this element we take all element. This is our A intersect complement of A intersection B dash. And now fourth, A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash, that means we take all part in this area. Like that we represent our sets in Venn diagram. A dash union B dash. Now our next question, question number 6. Next question, question number 6. Let U be the set of all triangles in a plane if A is the set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60. One angle different from 60. You see, if different angle, that means different triangle. What is A complement of A dash? So we want complement of A dash. Here A dash is the set of all equilateral triangle. So our answer is equilateral triangle. Complement of set A dash, that means equilateral triangle. That means each angle is 60 degree. De Morgan's law. You see, in complement set, De Morgan's law is follow. Complement of set A union B is equal complement set A intersection complement set B. Okay. Here we prove complement set A union B is equal complement set intersection complement set of B. For this, let's consider X belongs to A union B. We take X belongs to A union B. You see, if this is the member of A union B, that means it is not a member of A union B because it is a member of complement set. So here A union B we will not find. Because of this not belong to, you see, if X belong to A union B, we write here in place of union or. But here, because of this not belong to, we write here and. Just opposite in this case. And here you see, because of this belong to, we write here also and. X not belong to A and X not belong to B. In place of this, we write here and. You see, we write like that. X belongs to A, complement set A dash and complement set B dash. Then we get X belongs to A complement intersection B complement in place of this intersection. Here you see A union B, complement of set A union B is the subset of complement set A intersection complement set of B. Like that we consider here Y is equal, Y belongs to A union, complement A dash complement A dash intersection B dash. So here we remove this sign and we write here and. Because of this belong to, we write here and if they belong to A dash, they will not, X not belongs to A. X not belong to A. Same in B. That is why we remove and we write here union. So you see A complement of set A intersection complement of set B, subset of complement union set of A union B, complement of A union B set. From equation first and second, you see both are the subset. That is why they are equal, hence proved. De Morgan's law is very important for you. So please study well and solve all questions. Then you will easily get concept. Okay. Thank you, students. Please solve exercise 1.5. Thank you.